Tired of spending endless hours editing, designing, or generating content? Well, today I'm revealing the top 5 AI tools that will literally finish hours of work in just minutes. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just love productivity hacks, these tools are about to blow your mind. Let's dive right in. Starting strong with Kling 2.0, the jaw-dropping text-to-video tool that rivals even OpenAI's Sora. You simply type a prompt, like a gray whale breaching dramatically above the ocean surface, splashing water into the air under the bright afternoon sunlight, with detailed water droplets and realistic waves. And boom! Kling generates a super realistic cinematic video. The newest version, Kling 2.0, now supports multi-scene generation, better character consistency, and smoother motion. Perfect for filmmakers, marketers, or storytellers needing high-quality visuals in seconds. Next up is HeyGen, the ultimate tool for creating AI-generated spokesperson videos. With just a script and a few clicks, HeyGen brings your words to life using ultra-realistic avatars that can speak in over 40 languages. And guess what? You can even clone your own face and voice to create your very own digital twin. Whether you're making product demos, training videos, or content for your faceless YouTube channel, HeyGen is your personal presenter on standby 24/7. Ever wished you could personalize content with real handwriting without writing a single letter? Meet Manus. This tool mimics human handwriting styles down to the pen pressure and strokes. Upload your own handwriting or choose from celebrity styles, and Manus will generate notes, letters, or even full pages with stunning realism. It's not just calligraphy, it's handwriting automation with personality. At number 4, we've got GenSpark, an ultra-fast AI blog generator. Just drop a topic and choose a tone, and GenSpark writes an entire blog post, SEO optimized, researched, and structured. You can also generate FAQs, outlines, and even YouTube scripts like this one. It's like hiring a full writing team without the cost or delay. Last but not least, Runway. If you're in the creative space, you need this tool. Runway is a full creative suite with video editing, image generation, in-painting, and the famous Gen 2 AI video model. You can remove backgrounds, change video styles, upscale content, and even generate short videos from a text prompt. It's like having Adobe Premiere, After Effects, and Photoshop, all powered by AI. And there you have it. 5 AI tools that can literally finish hours of work in just minutes. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the AI Context for more mind-blowing tools and tutorials every week. Until next time, stay creative and let AI do the heavy lifting.